Hi guys, today I'm going to show how to fix Battle.net unable to install. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So guys, our first step is to run Battle.net as run as administrator mode. So open the Battle.net in run as administrator mode. So the second step is to delete the Battle.net cache. For that you need to press Windows R and then type percentage program data percentage and then hit enter. So over there you need to choose the file Battle.net and then Blizzard environment, delete it. So the third step is allow Battle.net through Windows Firewall. So guys, for that you need to enter into the Windows security and firewall and network protection. Over there you may see allow an app through firewall. Just click it and please scroll down. You may see the Battle.net launcher. Please check whether both private and public are enabled. So fourth step is to install Windows Update. For that you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings, the Windows Update, and please click download and install all. If in case it shows any error, please do check out my video to troubleshoot it. So the fifth step is to reinstall the Battle.net. So for that you need to first uninstall it. So please enter into the application and installed apps to uninstall the Battle.net. After that you need to reinstall the Battle.net. Sometimes the corrupted file may replace and the issue will be solved. So the last step is to restart your PC. I hope they enjoy your video and the issue will be solved. So guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe, TechTube. Bye bye.